Hey my raisins, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, a warm welcome. If you're returning, hey raisins. Alright, so before I start guys, YouTube tells me that 70% of you guys are not subscribed. So if the subscribe button is red, please make sure to remember to just click on it until it grays out. So yeah, now that's out of the way. First off, today we are going to have another tutorial on protective hairstyle. I have freshly washed hair. Today the sun is not out, so I'm just going to have to work with wet hair. So it's freshly washed, it's still dripping wet. And what I'm gonna do first is oil my scalp. I'm using this cable oil moisturizer. Oopsie doops, clumsy. All right, so I'm just going to oil my scalp. I'm gonna use the remainder of the oil moisturizer for my ends. This is because the ends are prone to breakage. Okay, so this protective hairstyle, guys, I literally dreamt about this hairstyle, so it better turn good. Alright, so I'm just going to undo the sections that I did when I was washing this hair. So that's all said and done, and I'm just going to section the front area because there's gonna be activity in the front area. So I'm just sectioning it up before I tie it up in a pony. Section this all up, and then I'm gonna tie the rest of the hair in a pony. Styling gel right after I have worked this metal pot. So next step, let us go to the metal pot. So with this step we are going to need rubber bands or small ribbons if you have. I'm going to divide this into 2 triangles. Okay, there, but I'm not going to part to the other side. I'm going to leave it in the middle because the shape that it's going to take, it's like it's going to go around. So I'm not going to part until the other side. Let me braid it. We have the first part, and we are going to do this like this. Then let me also braid this. section. I'm gonna detangle with this brush. I've detangled that. Now I'm going to apply styling gel and tie it with a rubber band. I'm using Eco Styler styling gel. Then take my rubber band, stretch it out a bit because it's small. Yeah, hold it like this and twist it. When it's all tied up, do this just to tighten it up a bit. And then we are going to braid it halfway and then connect it to the other side, okay? Don't worry about the styling gel being white around. When it dries out, the whiteness disappears. So, okay, I think that's enough. Next section. So the hair is all done. Like I said, the white part is going to disappear as it dries out. And now what I'm going to do is slick the rest of the hair with styling gel. So and then next up, I'm just going to put in the hair piece. I think I'll do a ninja bun as well, like I did last time. So let's do it. gonna do a full ninja bun. I think this rest of the hair I'm gonna do one long braid. Everything, I'm just going to polish the look by just cutting the ends like this, and I think here I want to make it straight. Yeah. Okay, so this is, so any hairs that is sticking out, I'm just going to cut to just polish the look. Yeah. Alright, and that's the look. I'll see you in a sec with a little bit of makeup I'm gonna put. What do you guys think? This is how it looks. It looks like. Let me know what you guys think. Is it something that you will try out? Did it come out as it was in the dream? No. But it's pretty close. It's pretty close. So let me know what you guys think, and again, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate each and every one of you.